Hey guys, welcome back. So I just picked up the orange Fiat from my second garage that I'm renting. Unfortunately, I can only store one car at my own garage, but luckily there was a free spot in the garage where my family lives, so that's close by, so that's good. Furthermore, the rent for the parking space is cheaper than renting a garage somewhere else, so that's a pretty good deal. So yesterday I was talking about putting back the engine for this car, which is currently in parts in my basement, and unfortunately I currently don't have the financial capability to do so, so I have to save up a little bit of money. And currently I see three different options on how to proceed. My first option is to have the engine put back together at the workshop that repaired my car just a few days ago. There is the connection now, so that's quite the possibility. Another possibility that I have would be to have the engine put back together by the guy who restored my Fiat a couple of years ago. And if you've seen my first video, I went into greater detail there. What happened basically when I bought this car in 2010, it looked completely different. It was painted red, had plastic front and rear bumpers, plastic covers on the doors, other rims, and so on and so forth. So basically the car was taken apart into every bit that it had. It was resprayed, put back together, and so on. Unfortunately, this process took 17 months, which is very, very long, especially for this car. There's not really that much of work, but unfortunately it took that long, and honestly I really don't want to wait more than 2 months for the engine to be ready and in the car. And that might be a problem back there, because this particular mechanic has a lot of old-timers, preferably he does the work on them, on the more expensive ones. So this option is not my preferred one. There's a third option I have, that is a local Fiat car dealership with an adjacent workshop, and I had my car there just last year, because there was another problem with the fan belt. It didn't rip, but it was on the way on ripping, so I had it towed there to have it repaired. The repairs were done pretty quickly. Unfortunately, the fan belt didn't hold up for too long and ripped apart just a few months later, and I did only 250 kilometers with it, so that's quite unfortunate. However, I will be looking for other options as well, because having more options is always nice. So currently I'm stuck with 3, but there's a lot of local mechanics here in the area that I can contact, and I will. Although this car is pretty basic and every decent mechanic would be able to repair anything, most of them will probably don't want the work, because nowadays defective parts are simply being substituted instead of being repaired, so that's probably work that they don't want to do. But I'm positive, and my best option would really be the car shop that just recently repaired the car, because they're now familiar with it. I was talking with the mechanic a little more in detail what I wanted to do, so he knows already some things that other mechanics don't, so that's the advantage there. And I will be contacting them on Monday, so a decision will be made pretty quickly. And that's basically it for this short overview. I'm just now driving to the nearest gas station because I'm always all out of gas, so filling up this baby so we can enjoy a nice longer drive. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.